Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make jumping crab. First, ensure you have fresh, live crabs, ideally weighing 1.5 to 2 pounds each, for the best flavor and texture. Next, prepare your aromatics such as minced garlic, sliced ginger, and fresh chilies, adjusting the spice level to your preference. Finally, gather your cooking oil, soy sauce, oyster sauce, and a touch of sugar to balance the flavors. This preparation ensures a smooth cooking process. Before cooking, it's crucial to prepare the crabs properly. Humanely dispatch them by placing them in an ice bath or freezer for about 20 minutes to calm them. Then, scrub each crab thoroughly under cold, running water, removing any dirt or debris. Carefully remove the gills, mouth parts, and the apron from the underside. Finally, crack the larger claws slightly to allow the flavors to penetrate during cooking. Now for the exciting part, cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a large wok or deep pan over medium-high heat. Add your prepared garlic, ginger, and chilies, sautéing them until fragrant, which usually takes about 30 seconds. Introduce the cleaned crabs, tossing them to coat. Pour in your mixture of soy sauce, oyster sauce, and a pinch of sugar. Cover and cook for 8 to 10 minutes until the crab shells turn bright red and the meat is opaque. Once cooked, transfer your delicious jumping crab to a serving platter. Garnish generously with fresh cilantro for a burst of color and aroma. Serve this incredible dish immediately with a side of fluffy, steamed rice to soak up all the flavorful sauce, or with some crusty bread. It's a truly satisfying meal. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.